Right. Then we'll continue. So then this is our first meeting, hopefully, to cover a 2-year program to complete the entire syllabus. Then in this subject, in this area, now ICT stands for Information, Communication, Technology. Right. Now, when it comes to the field, when it comes to subject, you people have a certain slight idea what it is, right? Okay. Right. Then simply when you hear the word ICT, you feel like this is something related to the computers as well as technologies. That's what the idea that you have. Yes, correct. Right. Then with respect to the computer, ICT, as well as the modern technologies, we have to learn the technical side, how they are going to be covered. Right. Now that's a brief explanation. On the other way around, when it comes to the program that we are going to cover in between you and me, right? Now, just to tell you that we all are from the second batch of AL 2028. So we have started the first batch as soon as your O levels were over. You might know that, but you had a certain fun during these 4 months. Congratulations. Fine. But you have to suffer for that entertainment what you gain. The thing is, you are 4 months later than the other rest of the people who are sitting for A levels in 2028 with you. Correct. The people who have started classes above or before 4 months, and you people are sitting for the same exam 2028 August. Thinking of subject wise, but you had a part of fun, right? කිසි වැඩක් නැහැ 10 වෙනකම් බුදියනවා හම් ඕන දෙයක් කනවා 6ට ආයෙ නිදා ගන්නවා එන්න ජොලි ඒ ජොලිය ගෙවපන් කවද්ද 28 August right? So then that's one point. Now just to tell you where you are now for this batch, which was started 4 months ago, we know that we have finished the first 2 chapters. Chapter 1 උත් ඉවරයි, chapter 2 උත් ඉවරයි. ඔයගොල්ලෝ තාම first chapter පටන් ගත්තේත් නෑ. හරි. So first I am stressing you all that you people are quite in a critical level. Hurry. But I will arrange the program. I will give my full support to bring you people parallel to this group somehow. That's my responsibility. I have to do it. You had the fun. I am the one who suffer. And also you have to have a certain dedication. The thing is, you understand that to cover these 4 months, I need time. The same time I spend with you need to be spent with you as well. For that to happen, I need more extra time to be spent with you. So that be ready with much more extra classes than the first group. So arranging extra class is a waste in my side. I have to do much more than the other people. Then I have to get prepared. I have to spend the time with you. So then in my side, it's a big loss. But I'm doing that loss. I'm managing that loss on behalf of you. Right? Since you came to me with a certain trust, this person will take me to the final exam into the correct level. Yes, I will. Right? So what I'm telling is, keep the trust on me. Though you are a little bit late, though you did a certain wrong, no worry, I'll cater you, I'll manage you people. So that's a story had happened in our previous batches as well. Right? Even in 2025, 24, 23, all the batches, we had to start, as ICT teacher, I had to start the second batch as well. I did it. And then after some time, both the batches came to the same level and then went to the final exam with the same preparation. But what I want to say is, you are not released, right? Then you have a big work, you have to run fast than the previous people. So what we do here, you have to capture them quicker. As soon as what we finish, what do we do in the class, within the same week, you have to revise them. And in my program, there's another specialty. Right? Normally, in your O-levels, you might have experience when you are teaching, when you are going for subjects, there are some drawings to be taken from the board. There are some workings to be done. In my class, there are drawings. There will be photos for you. You have to draw them at home. I don't give you time to draw them here. චිත්‍රාදීන දෙන්නේ නැහැ. චිත්‍රපන්තියක් නෙවෙයි ICT පන්තියක්. හරි. There are much more drawings here, right? In networking, in everywhere we have drawings. So then if it is explanation, I read out the note for you. On the other way around, I don't give you printed notes. Printed notes මන් දෙන්නේ නැහැ. Printer එක නැති හන්ද නෙවෙයි. කොළ නැති හන්ද නෙවෙයි. You all know that, but you don't believe it. Right? If you are reading a note, a printed note, the things going into your head is very less. But if you are writing from the fingers, the things will go into your head, though you don't read them after the class even. Right? ඒකයි point එක. And that may be one of the reasons where our students are scoring better. හරි මම දන්නේ නැහැ අපේ ළමයි ස්කෝර් කරන්නේ ඔය හන්ද වෙන්නේ. Right? Just to tell you another happy story which I heard today morning. එකක් කියලා ඉන්නා. Right? So then recently we got A-level results before your O-level results, right? A-level 2025 people got their results. හරි. මේ results ගැන චූට්ටක් කියන්න මට කියන්න ඕනවට නෙවෙයි මම මේ කියන්නේ. To convey the important message. Then of these results, we had arts district first, Narmada from high school, as well as commerce district second, still Mihili, and many more, right? Arts district third. The one I want to mention here is there's and also Badulla district first is also, that's also another special character, right? Badulla district first, she came the island fourth, I think, from arts. She was a complete online child. From the first day, she was there in my online classroom. But she cooperated me well, right? I have never seen until the last prize giving. And after releasing results, we just arranged a small ceremony. That's the situation where I have seen her. Until then, I didn't. That's another story. One other important point is, Among them, District 10th was there, a certain Dharmaraja boy, I can't remember the name now. Today morning he called me. He was a District 10th who did technology subjects and got ICTA, what is that, the other subject, SFT A, and ET got C. Hare. He applied for recorrection. Today morning he said that this C has become A. Very rare incident, right? Recorrection දාපුවම වෙනස් වෙන්නෙම නැහැ. මුගේ වෙනස් වුණා. Now he is the district first in technological subject for 2025. It's quite late. හැබැයි යා district first. හරි. ටෙක් කරන අයට මම ඔය කිව්වේ. ටෙක් කරන අයටත් නෙවෙයි. He was lucky and he was confident that I should get an A. That's why he applied for recorrection. O level results ආව අපිත් recorrection දැම්මනේ. නේ. මෙච්චර confident තියනවා නම් හොඳයි. බලන්න වෙනස් වෙලා ඉද කියලා. හරි. Very rare chances are there to change the results, but he, now earlier it was 10th, now the district first. Those people are capable of capturing things as soon as they hear a fact. ටක් ගාලා ක්ලාස් එකේ මොකක් හරි කියපු ගමන් ටක් ගාලා මීටර වෙනවා. එහෙනම් the benefit for them is they don't need to be on the subject consistently. Once they hear it for the first time, when they go to that for the second time, that's enough until the paper comes. එහෙම කට්ටිය ඉන්න. උන්ට නේ මීටරේ කියලා කියන්නේ. But the majority is not like that. Then, if I am to prove you that among the results we obtain, arts people, the people who are doing arts, said to be as people who have no much more meter නේ. එහෙමනේ කියන්නේ. maths science maths bio කරනුනේ පට්ට මීටර කියලා කියන්නේ. හරි. මේ arts කරන උන් තමයි district first ඇවිල්ලා තින්නේ මගේ. district first, district second ඔක්කොම ඉන්නේ උන්. ඒ කියන්නේ if you believe in the capacitive, that's one feature only. If you are following the guideline, if you are working properly, your capacity is not a matter. හරි. අර මං ඉස්සලා කිව්වා වගේ මීටරයක් වෙන්නම ඕනේ නැහැ එකක් ගන්න. There are, even in this batch 2026, in another month we have the exam. There are many other people. I'll release the results once they are doing the paper. Still I know that there are many more arts people. Their capacity is quite poor than the people who are doing maths. Fine. But I know that they will perform well in the final exam. The thing is, their dedication, their continuous work is perfect. So then I'm inviting you people, you majority are not capacitive. Hurry, එහෙම වෙන්න ඕන. කමක් නැහැ. of your training session, you will go down your performance. Have a class miss karna ye? Class miss කරනවට කමන්නේ. Then still you know that your performance in your education will also go down. Especially for sports people, right? Sports කරේම ඔය scene එකේ ඉන්නේ. So අද practice එහෙනම් class එකට එන්න විදිහක් නැහැ. ඒ scene එක තමයි ගොඩක් අය. හරි. හැබැයි practice කරනවා වගේම මේ game එකත් ගැහුවේ නැත්තම් පුතේ අවසානයේ ඒකක් නැහැ, rank එකක් නැහැ. එතනින් ඉවරයි. තවත් චූටි දෙයක් කියන්නම් මේ වැඩේ පටන් ගන්න කලින්. Then මේක disconnect කරනවා අප්පා. The other point is you people should have the intention. Now you are doing advanced level in 2028. What is the purpose of doing advanced level? Hey, Karan. You must keep the target. This is done to get the entrance to the state universities. මේක ඕගොල්ලන්ට තාම තේරිච්ච නැති කරුම කතාවක්. හරි? Do this and open the university entrance for the local state universities. Some people will do the A levels just to get a pass to get through A levels. No, that's wrong. And those people may have the mind, no worry, I may enter into a private campus. Just to inquire, how many private campuses are there in Kandy? Campus කියලා නම ගහගත්තේවා කීයක් තියනවද නෝර? මන් දන්නේ විදිහට තෝස් එක අඩවලට වැඩිය තියෙනවා කැම්පස් ගන්න. තෝස් එකට 2යි හරි 3යි හරි තියෙන්නේ. මේකේ කීයක් තියෙනවද? නම් කියන්න ගත්තොත් මෙතන ඉඳන්ම තියෙනවා 5ක් 6ක්. පෙර දිනේ පාරේ 60 උඩ හමාරක් තියෙනවා. අර පල්ලි කැලේ පැත්තේ තවත් තියෙනවා. හරි. එතකොට ඒවට යන්නේ මොකද? ඕගොල්ලෝ දැකපු නැති පැති මම මේ ටික චුට්ටක් කියන්නේ. හරි. For them, they are inviting people, if you have got through your O levels, please come to us, we'll award the degree. Then they don't have any idea. People who have did their O levels, like you people, you don't know much deeper about the subjects. You don't have much more experience about exams. Honestly speaking, how did you get through your O levels? කොහොමද O level හොඳට පාස් වුනේ දැන්? හිතනකොටත් පුදුමයි නේ. ඒ 8ක් ඒ 6ක් 7ක් එහෙම ආව කොහොම ආවද දන්නේ නැහැ වගේනේ. ඒ O level. ඇයි ඒ? O level කියන්නේ ordinary level. What is ordinary level? Ordinary English? සාමාන්‍ය. තමසලා සාමාන්‍ය මිනිස්සු, that's all. You don't have any speciality. ඒ කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? Advanced level. That means you are in these 2 years you are being trained to be advanced thinking. You are being trained to be advanced competitions. Then though you did on you 2-year program will make you an advanced person. Sometimes you may not be advanced in the subject, but you may improve much more. That's one side. Then the private incident, if you are going into a private university, private campus or whatever the thing, what happens is they are catering for the people who have got through O levels. Then you understand that in your knowledge level, in your experience, people are available there. And then their course, whatever they say, this degree is award from here, wherever, whatever the thing, final outcome is not competitive with the state universities. State universities are open only for the A-level selected people. That means they have to have perfect plan, perfect programming is perfect preparing. They are the ones who are entering into the state universities. So then at that course, definitely it's high quality than whatever the degrees that you award from private universities. Next problem. According to these private universities, in a year, how many people are coming out? A lot. IT field එකේ, commerce field එකේ, ඔය හැම field එකේම කට්ටිය එනවා. ආපුවම all scheme for jobs. When it comes to the organizations, companies will select people, ordinary people for their company or special people for their companies. If you are from here, will you be an advanced, perfect person or ordinary guy? Then you will be disqualified. Muntika, they are capable, their course is in a better level, so they will be selected. That's another reason. තවත් එකක් කියලාම ඉන්නම්. ඉවරයක් වෙන්නේ නැහැ මේවා කියන්න ගත්තාම. That's my experience. Now I am teaching at University of Peradeniya, Government University. Then these people, whatever the degree program you are doing, you must entitle to a 6-month intern program. That means real world employment opportunities or employment experience has to be there. Next problem is, then you have to find a certain place to get training for these 6 months. These people and these people are in an interview to be selected for the intern training. Who will be selected? හරි. මේක ලොකු ක්‍රයිසිස් එකක් ප්‍රයිවට් කට්ටියට. ඔයගොල්ලෝ තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ. ඔයගොල්ලෝ දැන් යන්න නැති හන්ද හොඳයි. යනකට මම මේ කියන්නේ. ප්‍රයිවට් යුනිවර්සිටියට ගියපු කට්ටිය intern හොයාගන්න පුදුම ගේමක් ගහන්න ඕන. Don't get the internship that is not on a proper organization. They don't get the correct training. හොඳම කට්ටිය ගන්නෙ මෙතනින්. ඇයි? For the organization they want people to work, not to teach. මොබිටෙල් එකට එහෙම ගන්නෙ. මොබිටෙල් කම්පැනිට වැඩක් කරන්න පුළුවන් ඉන්ටර්න්ස් ලානේ ගන්නෙ. නිකම් මේ ඉස්කෝලයක් නෙවෙයිනේ මේ කම්පැනි එකක් කියන්නේ. Then these people will be selected, not the private people. So I'm emphasizing you, do your A levels to open this pathway to be a successful person. Then in the academic side, you will be successful, and finally your career, your job field will be flourishing you. Otherwise, you will be an ordinary person. You have to suffer a lot. You have to compete a lot. This is not ending. A level කරන එක subject තුනම balance කරන්න, not only one subject. All the 3 subjects should be balanced, and then target for 3 A's. ඒකෙත් I'm telling you that whatever the field you are doing, try to end up with the top 50 rankers in the district. Even if you are 75, 80, you will be selected, fine. But if you are within 1 to 50, you will be selected, or you can ask for whatever the preferred university with the best quality programs in the state universities. හරි. මේ target එක තියාගන්න once you are doing your A levels. හරි. ඕකයි මගේ view එක regarding your A levels. හරි. Selecting your A levels is a perfect choice for you all. Rest is the other upcoming 2 years, you have to have consistent dedication. That's up to you. I'll be here. I'll guiding you. I have proved that the open to the university entrance from the ICT side is perfect. I have done it. Your side, you have to do the work. I'll guide you. You may follow. We'll continue. So then that's what I want to tell at the very beginning. Very strong point has to be there in your head. You people are special group. The second group have a big work and keep that target. Then we'll start the subject. That's all for the introductory part about the new advanced levels that you are going to face. I'll start the subject ICT. Then there it says that ICT, information communication technology, right? ICT, information communication technology. Just to give a certain brief introduction about this phrase. Communication. What is communication? English. Are we doing a communication now? Yes, I'm telling things. You people are following me. If possible, you can just ask questions. This communication. Then what is communication really means? Simply, I may explain that as exchanging. Communication means exchanging ideas, views in between 2 or more parties. Here we have 2 parties. I am explaining, I am telling whatever I know to you all. Then you are grabbing the things, fine. That's communication. Another word, technology. What is technology? Technology will assist, will help the people to do our things in a easier, comfortable manner. Technology is that. In the history, very old days, you know that wheel is the first invention. Then wheel is a technology. Didn't it help the people to do their works in a better way rather than carrying blocks here and there? Now wheel is there. Then after that, vehicles came, the computers came, the fans, lights. So they will assist us to do our works nicely. Technology is that they are different tools, different concepts to make our things easier or comfortable. That's what technology is. Then the other one is information. What is information? In deep concepts, there are people who did ICT for O levels. Forget about ICT. Just the word information, a certain fact, a certain message, a certain information, a certain idea. That's called as information. I'm telling that for Colombo, there's a heavy rain. That's an information, right? Okay. Then these three words are combined to make the topic ICT. And what is ICT then? Information Communication Technology. Simply, I can explain that as ICT means some comfortable, easier methods. This is comfort, easier techniques in order to exchange. Communication means exchange. Ideas, views. What are information? That's it, right? Information means your messages, ideas, views, facts. And now, I'll explain that again. ICT means some easier methods, easier techniques in order to exchange facts, messages, ideas, views among two or more parties. Practically, I am telling things to you. Is that a easier, comfortable manner or the traditional, usual manner? Our communication, is it technology or not at all? Not at all. You people are physically attending here. Then I'm explaining things. So no easier technique is there, right? Hari, if it is going to be using technology, what happens? Online people, they are on their own comfort at home and then attending into the communication. There we use easier methods. It is an example of ICT. When we are doing our exchanging of messages, information in an easier manner, that's called as ICT. Another example. I am sending a message to you all telling that next day we don't have class. Using WhatsApp. ICT or not? ICT can I want to convey that cancellation of the class. After finishing this, tomorrow I may decide that next week I can't do the class. Then you are not gathered now. You are on your home. I'm in my home. Then there's no way of informing. If I am to inform them in the traditional way, I have to visit your homes and say that next day for the class na ende pe. That is the traditional way. But I'm using a comfortable manner, sending a message to the group, no class. And a comfortable method. So that's called as ICT. And on point ICT. And ICT means easier method in order to exchange ideas, messages among them. Then hopefully to make the things easier, now we are using our tools. Smartphone, laptop, internet, even the barcode readers, sensors, electricity. So then mixing of all of them will support this topic. So under the ICT, we are going to cover all such areas together. And on my ICT topic, this is not required for the paper, but just to introduce to the topic. ICT can we are following some comfortable, easier techniques to exchange things here and there. Internet. Then we have to learn about internet technologies. We have to have computers. We should know about the computer technologies. We need to use softwares. We need to learn about softwares indeed. Right? Then we have to have the operating systems a lot. Likewise, there are many deep areas to be discussed under this. Right? We'll just write a small brief introduction to explain these facts. Right? Have the big topic called as ICT. Right. There will light. Right. ICT will light. ICT. As ICT is explained as, we'll say like that. ICT is explained as ICT is explained as ICT is explained as easier. ICT is explained as easier, comma comfortable, easier, comma comfortable methods, comfortable methods within bracket, right? Technology. Easier, comma comfortable methods within bracket, right? Technology. Close brackets. In order to exchange, in order to exchange within bracket, right? Communication. In order to exchange within bracket, right? Communication. In order to exchange within bracket, communication. Close brackets. Views, ideas, messages, facts, within bracket, right? Information. Close brackets. Among the parties in the society. Among the parties in the society. Among the parties in the society. Right. Next point. Most of the comfortable methods. Next point. Most of the comfortable methods. Most of the comfortable methods are using. Most of the comfortable methods are using computers. Are using computers, networks, softwares, computers, network, softwares, which are completely covered, under the topic ICT. Under the topic ICT. This is just a concept what this ICT is about. And now our entire discussion is about these easier techniques, the computer, whatever things. Now we'll go into the direct scope of the syllabus as well as the teacher's guide. Under this topic, first of all, we have to go to the differences between another two definitions called as data versus information. Still, the people who have done for IC, raise your hands, people who did ICT for O levels. Okay. Then people who got A for ICT. The worst cases, right? The incident is when I use these terms, O level ICT කරපු අය ගොල්ලෝට නම ගන්න. අයියෝ. අපි දන්නා. ඔබ කරලා තියෙන්නේ. ඊළඟ තව මැදට යනකොට තව එනවා ඔය CPU, hardware ඕවා කතා කරමු ගමන් ඒවා දන්නවා. ඒ හරි. ඒක මම කියේ ඔය කට්ටියත් එක්ක හරි අමාරුයි A level ICT උගන්වන්න. Why? That's not your fault. That's the fault of the human nature. Why? You have heard these facts, then these are not strange. Then when I am going to teach whatever the facts, you don't grab them. Why? Your mind says that I know this, I don't need. Then you are in the whatever the world. But in our advanced level, I said earlier, this is advanced level, not ordinary level. You did these keywords according to the ordinary level. සාමාන්‍ය විදිහට ඔයගොල්ලෝ ඉගෙනගෙන තියෙන්නේ. But in the A level paper, you need to be in the advanced level. එතකොට එතනින් එහාට යන්න වෙනවා. But the point is, when I am explaining the facts, you feel that no, I know. එතකොට ඕන ටික ඔයා දාගන්නේ නැහැ. In my side, I want to explain the correct point, especially the data point, from the very bottom. Why? There are people who didn't do ICT for O levels. On the other way around, though you people are telling that as Pandita people, we have done ICT for O levels, majority can't remember these keywords. හරි. ඒනට ඔළුවේ මොකද? මම මේක දන්නවා. මම පොරක් සීන් එකේ තමයි ඉන්නේ. ඒතර මේ මෙන්ටැලිටි එක කඩා ගන්න පුතේ. නැත්තම් you will be a failure. එච්චරයි වෙන්නේ. හරි. ඔක ගොඩාක් අයට වෙනවා. ඒක මගේ එක්ස්පීරියන්ස් වලින් මම මේ කියන්නේ. අපේ ඔළුව කියන්නේ මොකද? මේක අහන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. ඒතකොට මතක් වෙනවා බස් එකේ කොන්දට බැනපු හැටි. ඕක දැන් සිහි කර කර ඉන්නවා. මේතර ෆැක්ස් එකක්වත් උඩට දාගන්නේ නැහැ. හරි. මෙතෙන්දි මගේ හැටි තමයි මම බේස්මන්ට් එකේ ඉඳන් මෙතෙන් එනවා මේ හරිය තමයි O level කෑල්ල. ඒතර මේ හරිය චුට්ටක් අහන් ඉන්නකොට දැන් බෝරින්. මෙතනින් එහා කෑල්ල අහන්නෙම නැහැ. අර ඕන A level කෑල්ල කැලේ. ඊට පස්සේ හැමදාම අර දන්න මම ඔප්පු කරලා පෙන්නනවා ඔයගොල්ලෝ ඉන්නකෝ. බඩු ෂුවර් මට ප්‍රූව් කරන්න පුළුවන්. මේ අර ඕගොල්ලෝ ඉන්නෙම O level level එකේ තමයි. එතන එහාට යන්නෙම නැහැ. හැබැයි the people who didn't do ICT, they are carefully following the things from here to the correct level and they will win the subject. Therefore, people who did ICT for O levels, be careful. You have a weak point in your mind. Skipping the points, don't let that happen. Then the first fact I want to explain is data versus information. These are two key definitions in our ICT. Even in our ICT, we had the word information, communication, technology. The word information is there. At that moment, we don't have a big difference about data and information. We just told information is. Now I'll come to this point. As I said earlier, I'm telling you that for Colombo, there's a heavy rain. There's an information. Right? And there's a dog here. Information. So next week we don't have class. ඇත්තටම next week class තියෙනවා නැත්නම් මල මගුලක් කරන දෙන්නේ තුන් හතර පාරක් කියලා එහෙම නැහැ. Next week we don't have class. Fine. Then after this we have a party. So they are information. They are information. We just get things. Fine. But when it comes to the field, these information are further categorized into 2 points called as data as well as information. Now going in deep. එච්චර කතාව. ඔය අපිට ඇහෙන ඕන එකක් information තමයි අපිට. එහෙම නෙපි කියන්නේ. ඒක ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. හැබැයි in the field we are going to categorize them into 2 pieces, data as well as information. What is the point? If we are to set things as data, we define them as data are raw. This is a very important word. Raw facts and figures. This is the perfect definition for data in any syllabus. Campus giyat මේක තමයි කියන්නේ. Data defined as raw facts and figures. How to define information? Still you know. Information are results always. If it is to be a result, how can the results be obtained? Result එකක් නම් සිංහලෙන් කියොත් ප්‍රතිඵලයක්. How can you get the result? Just staying here, will you get a result? No, I have to do something. Then as the work I did, there will be a product comes. That is called as a result. Now, result එකක් එන්න නම් මොකක් හරි වැඩක් කරන්න ඕන. This is having the word raw. What is raw? Raw is අමුනේ. Not doing anything. Just collect it. මොකුත් නැහැ එහෙනම්. That's raw. That's the difference. Mere results, you have to do something, then get the outcome. This is raw, staying here, I'm getting. That's all. These are something that you hear, something that you see, something that you feel without doing an effort. They are called as data. If you do something and get the results, that's called as information. That's a certain idea. Hari. Then I'll go to the common example where majority and where you all have heard. The mark sheet. මේක හැමෝම ගන්න example එකක් මාත් එකම ගන්නවා. Say that in your A levels you have 3 subjects only. Now you are going to a certain distance in your A levels and you are doing your first term test. The class teacher has to prepare the mark sheet of the children. Then you are doing ICT, then you are doing literature, and you are doing some other subject, French. These are the subjects. Then we are getting, the class teacher is preparing this mark sheet, is getting the marks for each and every subject. Say that ICT marks is somewhere like 45, literature marks is somewhere like 90, this is somewhere like 60. Then a class teacher needs to get the total of the child. Say that this child is somewhere like Nimal. Okay. Then we are going to add them. 5. I'll just make this as 0, right? That's easy. Then this is 0. This is going to be somewhere like 190. Okay. Now the class teacher has to get the average even. Divide 190 by 3 and get the answer. I don't know what the value is. What is it? Yes, 63.3. This is average marks. Right? Then when you consider this mark sheet, this is known to you all. That's why I'm going quicker. Out of them, what are results? What are information? No. The last one. These two values were obtained by working on these 3. And these 3 are used to get this product. And like we get the average, like we get the total, they are results of a certain effort. To get these results, we use raw values. What are they? 40, 90, 60, which are the subject marks. And these are going to be told as data, whereas these are going to be called as information. Okay, hari. Okay, ඕනෙකට තේරෙනවා. ඕක නෙවෙයි සීන් එක. මගේ පැත්තට දැන් මම ඇඩ්වාන්ස් ලෙවල් ඔය O level. This mark sheet is made by whom? ICT teacher, the literature teacher, the French teacher, the class teacher. Who is preparing this? I need your answer. මේක හදන්නේ කවුද? Class. එතකොට class teacher is working on this and giving these results. හරි, class teacher මේක කරන්නේ. Now class teacher make these results, obviously information. These are being used. They are going to be data. They are all. Now go to the literature teacher. This is a literature teacher. Hari. She or he makes your marks as 90. When you think of the literature teacher's point of view, is this 90 a result or is it something wrong? Literature teacher ගත්තාම එයා මේ 90 කියන එක හැදුවද නැත්නම් did he or she got that as a raw value? What is the real incident behind the literature teacher? Whenever you answer script is seen, මුට ලකුණු දුන්නයි කියලා එහෙම දානවද? නෑ එහෙනම් she has to mark the first question and finding that after the first question out of 15 10. Second question 12. ඊළඟට 18. ඔහොම marks දානවා. දාපු ගමන් 90 හැදෙනවද? Now what should be done? These should be summed and get them as 90. එහෙනම් is this 90 data or information? Is that a result or something raw? It's a result. එහෙනම් is this data information? Is this value data or information? Information. Did you get the confusion? ඔළුව කැරකුණා නම් හරියටම හරි. When the mark sheet is prepared by the class teacher, it is very clear that these two are results. Label them as information. කිසි කතාවක් නැහැනේ මේක information. ප්‍රශ්නයක්ම නැහැ. Now we are thinking of the class teacher's point of view. Now, how can the class teacher get these marks of the child, Nimal? Is the class teacher working on these and get them, or just getting the value from the ICT teacher? ICT teacher is giving this Nimal ge ICT marks 40. Is that a result or just a rule? This is being operated by who? Class teacher මුකුත් ගාණක් හදන්නේ මේ අරුගේ ලකුණු කීයද 40යි. ලිටරේචර් මේ මෑන්ගේ ලකුණු කීයද 90යි. මුගේ කීයද 60යි. එහෙනම් regarding the class teacher, they are raw values, getting them with no calculation, no processing, pure raw values. ඒක හරිනේ? කිසි ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. එහෙනම් these are labeled as data fine clear. ඒ ඉන්සර්ට් එක හරි. දැන් මම පොඩ්ඩක් වෙනස් වෙනවා. I am going to the literature teacher's point of view. Who is teaching literature? Isn't this the person who prepared the literature marks of Nimal? එයා literature marks 90 කියලා ගත්තේ කොහොමද? Just by asking from someone or by doing a work. She or he has do a work නේ. First question එක mark කරා ලකුණු 15යි. ඊළඟ ලකුණු 10යි. Then each and every question has been assigned with marks. They are being summed together and creating the value 90. එහෙනම් is a raw value or a result? මේක result එකක්. ඒක result එකක් නම් data the information. ඒක information එකක්. එහෙනම් this 90 will be an information for whom? Class teacher the ICT teacher the ICT teacher. එහෙනම් මොකද point එක? Whatever the you are being given can be told as either data or information in the way it is being accessed. දැන් මේකටම ඉස්සලා ඔයගොල්ලෝ data කියලා කිව්වේ. දැන් ඒකටමනේ ආයි information කියලා කියන්නේ. And the way you look at, the way you focus that is the point to declare whether they are data or information. Thinking of the literature teacher, this would be an information. Why? She or he has to do some computations to get this value. But regarding the class teacher, we don't do anything. Just get it. They are raw values and they are being subjected to some other process and giving you some other results. මම හිතන්නේ දැන් ඔන්න කතන්දරේ. ඔන්න advanced level scene එක. හරි. එහෙනම් හැම එකක්ම අපිට data කියලා confidently කියන්න බෑ. Maybe information in one angle, maybe data in another angle. දැන් කතාව හරි. හරි. ඔය පොඩ්ඩක් ලියාගෙන තව example දෙකක් විතර අපි කතා කරමු. හරි. We like the next subtopic data versus information. Data versus information. Right, and that will write data versus information. Right, under that light are considered as data versus information. The first point are considered as, that means data and information, right? Are considered as the two important keywords in ICT. Right. Next point we write data is defined as Facts and figures. Raw facts and figures. Raw facts and figures. Underline the word raw. Raw facts and figures. And that we write, next point we write, still under the data, right? We write, therefore, whenever the values, whenever the values are handled, whenever the values are handled as it is, without, as it is, without any processing, without any processing, comma, without any processing, comma, calculation, without any processing, comma, calculation, comma, they are said to be as, they are said to be as data. They are said to be as data. Right. Next point we write, information is defined as, next point, information is defined as the processed results, information defined as the processed results, processed ED, right? Processed results. Information is defined as processed results. So that they are the products, they are the products of, they are the products of a certain work, they are a product of a certain work performed already, certain work performed already, certain work performed already, product of a certain work performed already. Then underline word results in it. Results කියන වචනේ underline කරගන්න. Right. Now we'll go to example. We'll say example. Example. Consider a mark sheet. Consider a mark sheet which is prepared by, consider a mark sheet which is prepared by a class teacher. Consider a mark sheet which is prepared by a class teacher for a student. For a student. But they are all in the WhatsApp group? I think not, right? There are people who have messaged me earlier. Are there people who didn't message me earlier? ගොඩක් ඉන්නවනේ. ඔව්. හරි එහෙනම් කමන්නේ. Then for everyone I'm inviting you now in a situation like that, right? Now my ordinary way is I'm giving the photo of this into the group and you are supposed to draw that later. But today, since you people are not in the group, write it now itself. Then people who have not informed me your details, please send me your name, then your school as well as the subjects you do, right, for your A levels, and telling that you are from 2028 group 2. For that, I will add you into the group. Right? There's a group add කරනවා පස්සේ next week අපි මේ වැඩේ කරමු. For everyone, please send your details to me to my WhatsApp number. In your tute, the number is there, right? My mobile number, right? That's a WhatsApp number, 0714395494. Send me a WhatsApp message for this number, then I will add you into the group. Right? The next week onwards, we can speed it up rather than spending time here. Right? ටකල මේක දාගන්න දැනට. Then within the week, you may get added to the WhatsApp group. Mark sheet of Nimal. These are the subjects, total as well as the average. මේකට අපි label කරලා ලියාගමු. Then these are results, so that they are information, whereas these are raw, so that they are data. Have those labeling as well. ටකල ලියාගන්න. හරි. Mark sheet of Nimal. These are the marks for each subject, and these are results or information. So online people, there are many more distractions here due to the connection issues. Don't know what had happened. The other days is fine, but today, big troubles. Then lights. Oh, දැන් ගලව නැත්තම් හරි. ඔව්. Wi-Fi එකෙන් යනවනේ. ඔව්. කේබල් එක කනෙක්ෂන් එක අවුලක් තියෙන ඒතකොටනේ. Then light. The total comma average, the total comma average, the total comma average, the total comma average are computed results. The total comma average are computed results which are categorized as information. Which are categorized as information. Next point. The subject marks are received to the class teacher. The subject marks are received to the class teacher from the subject teachers as it is, from the subject teachers as it is, which are treated as raw values so that they are data. So that they are data. So that they are data. Right. Next point. When the subject teachers are considered, next point, when the subject teachers are considered, when the subject teachers are considered, comma, they prepare the marks, they prepare the marks by calculating, by calculating the total which is a result, so that, which is a result, comma, so that the subject marks result, comma, so that the subject marks are information, subject marks are information from whose point of view? From class teacher's point of view or subject teacher's point of view? From the subject teacher's point of view. From the subject teacher's point of view. හරි subject teacher point of view එකෙන් මේක information. හැබැයි this scenario is told with respect to the class teacher's point of view, so they are treated as data. හරි ඔය angle එක වෙනස තියාගන්න. Again I see that so some people can't write in a quite fast speed as well, right? හොඳටම කරලා දිනා මාස 4 ලියන්නෙමත් හරියම අරත් එහෙම රිදෙනවා නේ මෙහෙම කර කර ලියන්නේ බුදු අම්මෝ හරි හරි ඔය යන්කෝ no matter, right? The thing is okay fine, what had happened we can't reverse it, okay, let it go. But normally one other thing, when it comes to advanced, I don't know about other people, but in my side I want you to improve not only in the subject, in all the sides, right? That means especially when you are writing for your A-level paper, now everything is there in the tute what you get today. The A-level paper has paper 1, ඔය format එක ගොඩක් papers වල තියෙනවා paper 1 එකේ. There are questions. You have been given only 2 hours. That means 60 into 2, 120 minutes is given for the paper. එහෙනම් for each question you are being given only 2 minutes generally. Question 50 20 whatever the amount. Then you must 2 minutes කියන එක very small time period, right? Then within that you need to find the answer for 50 questions. On the other way around, there are some questions where you can't practically, even if I do it, I can't do that within 2 minutes. There are some calculations, there are some works, definitely I can't. Then you have to do some of the questions even less than 1 minute. Just the reading time only, you have to mark the answer. එහෙම questions තියෙනවා. ඒ වගේ ඒ වෙලාව තියෙන්න ඕන. For the questions where you need more time, you have to spend that time as well. And time management is a big matter. So that I want to improve your writing speed, thinking speed, everything. That's the reason, that's one of the reason I said that I don't give you printed notes. Printed notes දෙන්නෙම නැහැ. අතින් ලියපන් එච්චරයි. ක්ලාස් එකේදී මට බැන බැන ලියයි. අපේ අම්මලා තාත්තලාටත් බනි සමහරව. මේ යකා නේ ලියන්න කියනවා ලියනවල ඉවරයක් නැහැ මොන මොකලද මන් දන්නේ නැහැ හිමීට කියවන්නෙත් නැහැ. ඔහොම තමයි හිතන්නේ. කමන්නේ මට බයින්. හැබැයි indirectly that will impact you to face the exam questions on time. හරි කලින් බැච් එක කටින් අහන්න වෙලාව මදි වෙච්ච උන් කොච්චර ඉන්නවද කියලා. වැඩ කරපියෝ. හරි. But if you have not done well, time is not a matter at all. හරි. ඕගොල්ලෝගේ timing හදන්න ඕන මම. thinking power එක හදන්න ඕන. speed හදන්න ඕන. ඒ ඔක්කොම අද ඉඳන් හදන්න ගන්නවා ඒක. හරි. ඒ වගේ impact එක තමයි සමහරුන් ගත් බන් දැක්කද මෙහෙම ලියනවා. යකෝ මේ paragraph දෙකක්වත් ලිව්වේ නැහැ. දඟලනවා. ඒක නම් අර මෙච්චර කල අයිස් ගහපු එකේ ජොලිය ඔය ටීවී බල බල ස්ටේටස් බල බල හිටියේ ලියන්න ගත්තේ නැහැ. හරි. ලියමු. ඔක හදලා දෙන්න. හරි. ඊළඟට තව එකක් කියන්නේ the second paper, paper 2. paper 2 එකේ structure එක චුට්ටක් කිව්වොත් නිකන් දැනගන්න බය වෙන්න කියන්නේ. paper 2 has two sections, the structured part. Sometimes you had your O levels as well. Structured එකේ questions හතරක් තියෙනවා. You have to write all the 4 questions. Even for the part B, there are 6 questions. Out of 6, you have to take 4 questions. And that is being given 3 hours. During the 3 hours, you have to write 8 essay type questions. Questions අටක් ලියන්න ඕන පැය 3කින්. ලියන්න තියෙන ඒවා. එතකොට මෙහෙම ගස ගස ඉඳලා හරියන්නේ නැහැ. ලියලා දාන්න ඕන සුටු සුටු ගාලා. හරි. එතෙන් යනකොට ට්‍රේනින් එක හැදිලා තියෙන්න ඕන. හරි. එතකොට නෝට් අතින් ලියනවා කියන එක කියන්න බැරි වටිනාකමක් තියෙන එක. මේ වෙලාවේ මට බණි. හැබැයි තව මාස දෙකක් ගියාට පස්සේ ඕගොල්ලෝ ස්පීඩ් එකේ ඉන්නවා. හරි. ඒකයි අර මං කිව්වේ A level කියන්නේ ගේම් එකක් පුතේ. මේක ආතල් ගන්න ගමන් කරන්න බෑ. A level නම් A level. එච්චරයි. හරි මගේ පැටර්න් එක එච්චරයි. එහෙම ආතලුත් ඇති සමහරුන්ගේ. එතකොට අවසානයේ හිතන්න ආතල්ම තියෙයි එච්චරයි. හරි. අපි දෙන ආතල් එක අන්තිමේදී රිසල්ට් එනකොට තියෙන ආතල් එකක්. ඒ අකුරක් අරන් ඕගොල්ලෝ ටියයි. ඒ ආතල් එක කොහෙන්වත් ගන්න හම්බෙන්නේ නැහැ. හරි. ඔක තමයි කරන්නේ. අර මම ඔය කොච්චර කීවත් අවසානයේ මාත් එක්ක ඉතුරු වෙන්නේ දැන් මෙච්චර ළමයි හිටියද මේකිනුත් ළමයි ටිකක් හැලෙයි කියලා මම විශ්වාස කරනවා. එහෙම වෙන්න එපා. ඒ මට ළමයි ගන්න වැඩි කරගන්නේ මම මේ කියන්නේ. මංගාව රැඳෙන්නේ මාත් එක්ක වැඩ කරන්න පුළුවන් කට්ටිය විතරයි. එච්චරයි මං කියන්නේ. හරි. මාත් එක්ක ඉන්න බෑ ආතල් හොයනේ උන්ට. හරි. මේ පැය දෙකේදී මං උගන්වනවා එච්චරයි. මගේ ගෙදර වෙන වැඩ මම බෝධි පූජා තියපු හැටි මං ට්‍රිප් ගිහපු හැටි ඒවා මං කතා කරන්නේත් නැහැ. ඒවා ඔයගොල්ලෝ කියලා වැඩකුත් නැහැ. මං ගාව ඒව නැහැ. හරි. මං කතා කරන්නේ සබ්ජෙක්ට් මැටර් එක. මේ පැය දෙකේදී දෙන්න පුළුවන් උපරිම මන් දීලා යවන්නේ. පුළුවන් තව විනාඩි 10ක් විතර අරගෙනත් තමයි යවන්නේ. තමයි 5 මාට ක්ලාස් එක 5:40 විතර තමයි නවතින්නේ. ඔව් එහෙමවත් වෙනවා. ඒ කරන්නේ මට මොකුත් ගෙනියන්න නෙවෙයි. දෙන්න පුළුවන් දේ උපරිම දීලා යන්න දැන්. හරි. ඊට පස්සේ තව එක්සෑම් ළඟ යනකොට පේපර් ක්ලාස් එක, රිවිෂන් ක්ලාස් එක ඒවත් අන්කවුන්ටබල්. ඒ වෙනකොට ඔයගොල්ලෝ මෙතෙන් මං අර කියන ස්පීඩ් එක හදාගෙන ඉන්න ඕනේ හැදෙනවා. ඒක කේටර් කරන්න බැරි ගෲප් එකක් ඉන්නවා. ඒ මිනිස්සු මං ගාව ඉන්නේ නැහැ. ඉතින් මගේ ආතලුත් නැහැ. මං එහෙම ස්ලෝ යන්නෙත් නැහැ. එහෙමත් නැහැ. ඉතින් එතකොට ඒගොල්ලන්ට දරන්න නැත්නම් ඒගොල්ලෝ මගෙන් ගල්ලා වෙන ක්ලාස් එකකට යයි. එහෙම ඉන්න ඕන. ඔක්කොටම ඩිස්ට්‍රික්ට් ෆස්ට් වෙන්නත් බෑනේ පුතේ. ඒ කට්ටිය මෙතනදී අර පල්ලෙහාට යන කට්ටියයි. මට ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. මම කියන්නේ ඕගොල්ලන්ට if you have the courageous, if you have the willing to win your A level life, I'll guide you. That's my way of covering this. හරි. එහෙනම් ඔන්න නෝට් එක ගැන පොඩි අවුලක් ආවහන්දයි ඔය කිව්වේ. ඊළඟට it depends on the subject teacher's point of view. It is going to be a information. හරි. then මම තව එක්සැම්පල් එකක් කියන්නම්. තව චූටි වෙලාවක් චූටි නේ අපිට වෙලා තියෙනවා ඉතින්. දැන් මට මේකෙන් උත්තර ඕන. එක්සැම්පල් එක. I am going to a shop. මම දන්න කඩේකට යන්නේ කියලා හිතන්නකෝ. හරි. By going to a shop, there are items in the racks. I am taking a certain piece of soap. Hurry. Then by looking at this soap, I am writing down these details. Price is going to be 105 rupees. Then I don't know whether the date of expire say that it is there. Date of expire will say that 2027 1st of 1st. Then weight is mentioned as 70 grams. So I just look at this piece of soap, writing them onto the paper. Now, while having this soap in my hand, now I am going to the Mudalali and ask, Mudalali Mame, how many soaps did you sell for the day? I'm just talking to the person. Then he says that the කෑලි පහක් වික්කා ගංගක්කට හතරක් වික්කා සුමනේ මල්ලිට එහෙම ලියුවා. Then we have sold number of items sold, say that 10 items. මුදලාලි මාමා මට දැන් කියනවා we have sold 10 items for the day. ඒකත් මම ලියාගත්තා. Now I'm again writing that price is 105. He sold 10 items. Then from total earnings from all these soaps is going to be 1050. කියලා මම ඕක මෙන්ෂන් කරා. Now the question for you, out of them, what are information? O level A ගත්ත කට්ටියක් තියෙනවා ICT කරලා. දැන් ඉගෙන ගත්ත කට්ටියක් තියෙනවා මට උත්තර කියන්න. මේ සෙට් එකේ information මොනවද? You know the background I told you. Shall I repeat? I take the piece of soap, mentioning these details, talk to the Mudalali and get how many items sold. Then I found that total earning from soap is this. Then I wrote them down. What are information among this? Information one making. Total earnings, no kata, no sina, information. Hari. How information? Price information, look. How? Number of items information, look. How? Date of expire? No. And what is date of expire? Date of the information. Data. Weight 70 grams. Date of the information. Data. Number of items sold. Information. Are there people who are telling that as data? Make data කියන කට්ටිය ඉන්නවද? නෑ. එකෙක් ඉන්නවා හරි. ඊළඟට මේකට price එකට I got an answer like information. Are there people who are telling data for this? Data කියන කට්ටිය ඉන්නවද මේකට? ඉන්නවද තුසන්? ඒකට data කියන කට්ටියක් ඉන්නවා හරි. මේකට data කියන total earnings information එකකට data කියන කට්ටිය ඉන්නවද? නෑ. ඒක information. We'll see. Total earnings, how did you get it? By multiplying this with this. And behind the scene, we have a multiplication operation. Then this is a certain work done and got this as a result. I am confirming that this is information. You all are correct. Fine. Take out. Price. Forget about price. Date of expire. Now, one another big important angle. Who prepares this sheet? Mudalali Mamad Indunil Sarada. It's made by myself. It's me who make this. Then how did I get this date of expire? Got the piece of soap, read it. When I'm reading, did I do any calculation, processing work, or just got it through my eyes? And is that raw result? It's a raw value. Fine is going to be data, still fine. How did I get price? How did I get the price of soap? 105. Got through my eyes. Wrote it. What is the calculation, process, performance I did? Information කියපුවට විනාඩියක නිශ්ශබ්දතාව. හරිනේ? You understand that, right? It's not an information. Why? Just like the date of expire, how did I get it? Just through my eyes, I read it. මුකුත් මං වැඩක් කරේ නෑ. It's a reading of a label only, which is going to be a data only. Hari. Then weight, still the same story, read it, data. Number of items sold, information or data. දැන් හරි උත්තරේ ඕන දැන් හරි. It's I who prepare the sheet. Class teacher, mark subject teacher. Number of items sold. How did I get that value? 10. Did I do any calculation? උදේ ගංගක්කට 4යි සුමන මල්ලිට 5යි එහෙම මං මුකුත් කරාද? නැත්නම් මුදලාලි මාමා දේ වැඩේ කරේ? That man did it. How did I get this 10? Listening to the mudalali. Did I do any calculation? And what is this? Data. Sorry. That's what we have to think of. This is still data. From the point of view who handle this, it is differentiated between data and information. So you must be skilled enough to detect is this data or information based on the angle we are looking at. දැන් කතාව තේරෙනවද? හරි. මුදලාලිගේ පැත්තෙන් මේක ගත්තා නම් info. Hey, මුදලාලි did a computation. Today morning this much, next this much, did the sum. But in my side, I just heard, that's all. Be clear, right? මේකත් පොඩ්ඩක් ලියාගෙන යන්න ඉතින්. Next example, we like the details related to a piece of soap, details related to a piece of soap from a shop are listed below, which were captured by listed below, which were captured by a customer. ටක්කල් මේක දාගෙන යන්න එහෙනම්. price මෙච්චරයි, date of මොකක්ද values ටිකක් දාන්න. මේවා වෙන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. date of expire, weight, number of items sold කියලා දාගමනේ. ඒත් එකම labeling දාගෙන යන්න. number of items sold is going to be 10. Then total earnings then parallel to that, you may keep the labeling. This is going to be information. This is going to be data. Label ටිකක් දාගෙන යන්න. And these are still data. From the customer's point of view, this. Price, date of expire, weight, number of items, total earnings. Fine. Okay. After that, we write price DOE weight. We write price DOE weight. We write the description after this details. We write price date of expire weight. Price date of expire weight are the values. Price DOE weight are the values which were read by the customer, directly from the label, within brackets, right? Row, directly from the label, within brackets, right? Row, close brackets, so that they are data. Next point, number of items sold is received, by inquiring from the salesperson, so that the customer gets it So the customer gets it as a raw value. Customer gets it as a raw value, which is also a data. Which is also a data. Full stop and continue. But for the salesperson, it is an information. But for the salesperson, it is an information which must be calculated within bracket sum, which must be calculated within bracket sum, add, sum, summing, which must be calculated sum කරන්න ඕනනේ add කරන්න කියන එක, which must be sum or add calculated to produce the value 10. To produce the value 10. Next point, the total earnings can be calculated by the customer within like a site 05 into 10 by the customer 105 into 10, which is a result එයදී. හරි. එහෙනම් දැනට ඔය ටික ඇති to differentiate data and information. You have a certain base මතනේ. එහෙනම් based on the angle you look at, the definition differs. ඔච්චරයි කතාව. We'll do many more questions and understand how they are further even. For the moment, that part is enough. Now we said that data and information keywords with respect to the field of ICT have different views. In the field of ICT, data has a different idea, this has a different idea. This is raw, this is result. What's the point? Then, when it comes to data, which are facts, whatever the facts which are raw, is further available in another two categories called as quantitative data. Other one is called as qualitative data. This is further categorization upon the data, raw things, not the information. Then we should know in deep what they are. There are questions in the past papers and in the future. Be ready with these definitions in a better way than the earlier one. Is there a data information questions නැහැ. මේවත් මේ මෙතනින් හරිය තමයි තියෙන්නේ. හරි. We light with a star as another point. We light with the star. We light. Data can be further categorized. Data can be further categorized. Data can be further categorized into two subcategories. Hari. I'll explain, then we'll go to the note. Then both of them are data. Among them, we have the first phrase comes as quantitative, which is derived from the word quantity. What is quantity? English. Quantity. Amount. I have 20 mangoes. Quantity. My weight is, I don't know. Right. So say that my weight is 70 වගේ දාන්නකො. වැඩි දඩු මන් දන්නේ sorry මං දන්නේ නැහැ. That's a weight. Is this telling a quantity? What is quantity? amount. Then it says that I have 20 mangoes. 20 is the amount of mangoes in my bag. 70 kilograms is it a quantity or not? Yes. Then if it is a quantity, we can compare, right? Then I am telling that my weight is 70. Then you say that, oh, so quantity weight 70, my weight is 100. My weight is more than your weight. Quantity has a comparison. I said that I have 20 mangoes. You said I have 50 mangoes. So mangoes I have 50. And a quantitative idea. Quantity says the count, the measured. If it is a fact which can be countable, which can be measurable, that is called as quantitative data. It should be data first, which should be measurable, countable. So that it has to be a comparison. It has to be a comparable value. It can be compared. මෙයාට වැඩි, මෙයාට අඩුයි, මෙයාට සමානයි, likewise. Price is data. Quantitative ද නැද්ද? Is price data. හරිනේ අපි කියවනේ. Is it a quantitative data or not? You don't know the other one. Quantitative ද නැද්ද? Oh, hey, price of a soap is 105. Then you can compare that with some other even, right? The price of a Sprite bottle is 250. Then this is cheaper than that. Quantity, amount. Quantity කියපුවාම not only the count, right? I said 20 is a quantity නේ. ඒක හරි. But this is also a quantitative value, giving a amount. Then date of expire, quantitative data or not? Yes, it is. Date, how can they be a quantitative? Date of expire of the soap is 2007 1st of 1st. When I take that Sprite bottle, the date of expire of the Sprite bottle is 2026 7 1st. And I am telling that, hey, this Coca-Cola bottle is expired. This is not yet. Is that giving some comparison? Comparison එකක් තියෙනවද දැන? Comparable? Oh, make a date which is far beyond. This is already past. That is still going to be quantitative. It doesn't give you any measurement. Sorry, it doesn't give any value. මෙහෙමයි කියලා බරක් පෙන්නන්නේ නැහැ. මෙච්චර amount එකක් පෙන්නන්නේ නැහැ. But it just give a sharp value. This is the exact date. That's quantity. හරි? තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ නේ. I have 5 fingers. Quantity ද? ඕනේ. ඒව quantity දන්නා නම් හොඳට ඔය මො level තාම O level මානසිකතේ පොඩයි එනවා ඔය A level වලට. quantity කියපුවම හරි 5යි 4යි දන්සැල් 2යි ඒවා හරි. quantity තමයි. Date කියන එකත් quantitative වෙන්න ඕනේ. ඇයි ඒ? It's also a measurable value. මේ අපි කියවේ quantity කියන්නේ measurable. measure කරන්න පුළුවන් හරියටම මේ date එක perfectly. That's what quantitative is. හැම වෙලාවෙම ඇඟිලි 5යි කියන එක නෙවෙයි. හරිද? You are clear? Therefore, date still said to be as a quantitative value. You understand that, right? We can exactly say that this is a date, perfect date. This date is before this. Quantity. Next, weight 70. Quantity or not? 70 grams. Quantitative the? Oh, ek badu hari. Number of items sold. Perfectly quantitative. 10 items. Ek tama hondama quantitative. Total earnings. Quantitative or not? Quantitative, what is that? Quantitative data or not? Total earnings from soap. Quantitative data or not? Read the quantitative. Only is this data or information? Quantitative data. ඉස්සරෝ මේක information කියලා සපත කරලා රතු පාටි ලිත් ගහලා ඔක්කොමත් කරලා තියෙන්නේ. දැන් quantitative data. ඕවා තමයි නාන තැන් ඈ MCQ paper එකේ හොඳට අල්ලනවා ඔයගොල්ලෝ. ඔය ඉතින් කරමු. මේක දැන් හරිනේ out. Quantitative කියන්නේ පුතේ it's a measurable value that's called as quantitative. අනිත් පැත්තට එන්නකො දැන්. මේ මගේ වචන ටිකක් සැර ඇති ඈ. දැන් ඔය ගෑන් ළමයි එහෙම නම් සමහරවිට අඬයිද මන් දන්නේ නැත්නම් රෙද්ද කියනවා එහෙම මන් දන්නේ නැහැ ඉතින් මගේ අතින් කියවෙනවා ඔවා. මම ඉතින් ගොඩේ වයියෙක් සරයි. හරි ඊළඟ එක qualitative data. What is qualitative data? Quantitative data are facts. Quantitative, which can be measurable, countable. And how to define qualitative data? Facts which cannot be measured, which cannot be counted, which cannot be weighted. Count කරන්න බෑ, measure කරන්න බෑ. හැබැයි ඒවා raw facts, not a process value. එහෙම ඒවා මොනවද? Not process, but can't be counted. We can't say how much exactly. I'm telling that, not myself, my parents, when කවුරුත් ඔක කියන්නේ Indunil's parents are telling that Indunil is an innocent person. අපේ අම්මා හරි තාත්තා හැම්බෙච්චම ඕගොල්ලොන්ට කියයි Indunil is an innocent person. Is that data or information? Data information දෙච්චර මට ඕන. You hear it, right? You don't process නේද? ඔයගොල්ලෝ මාව calculate කරලා බලලා innocent නැද්ද කියලා කියන්නේ. You heard it. එහෙනම් it's going to be a data. Is this countable or uncountable? Innocent. කොච්චර innocent ද? 5යි 8යි 8.5යි. එහෙම innocent මහින්න බලවන්ද? බෑනේ. And that's going to be an uncountable, uncomparable, unmeasurable raw fact. Is going to be qualitative data. හරි. ඔන්න uncountable qualitative data එක. දැන් මම තව කතන්දරයකට එනවා. I may just go through this board. By going through my palm, I'm telling that the board is so smooth. That's a feel I got. Is it a process result or raw fact? නෑ පුතේ, it's a raw something. Why I just got it නේ. තවත් එක මට එක කියන්න බැරුණ එකත් කියලා මං ඉන්නම්. When it comes to data, මේකත් කියලා නේ, that's important. Data are raw things. As human beings, we are getting data from the input devices of the human. What are the inputs? What are the devices that are giving inputs to you? Eyes. And if you see something that is getting as it is going to be a data. තව input device එකක්. Ears. මොකක් හරි ඇහුනොත් as it is if I write it, that's going to be data. තව input device මොනවද තියෙන්නේ? Skin, feel, also a data. Smell, a data. Whatever I feel as it is going to be data. Output device ගැන consider කරන්න එපා. Okay. Then they are data. එතකොට my parents are telling that Indunil is innocent. And you heard it. Then that's going to be unmeasurable, uncountable, going to be qualitative data. හරි. ආයෙත් මම කියනවා the surface is so smooth. So smooth. එහෙනම් that's also a data raw value I obtain cannot be measured or counted. හරි. That's also going to be qualitative data. I'm going to go for I'm going to buy a vehicle. By observing the vehicle, I'm saying, this in a better quality. You may buy that. Good quality vehicle. With observation, I just come to the conclusion that it's going to be good condition. Simply condition of vehicle is also going to be told as qualitative data. And the main thing is, when you go for the computer-based processing, we are going to process our data using a computer. Which data are highly important? Quantitative, the qualitative, the common sense. Computer-based processing is applied to produce information. And now, what data can be processed by a computer in most of the situations? Quantitative data. They are with exact values. Computer processing can be applied, addition, subtraction, multiplication, comparing, everything. But qualitative data can be processed, will learn such events, but for the moment, very rarely those can be processed by the computer. Okay, idea. Then I will go to the note. They are in two categories. Part A will write quantitative data and will write things behind that. Part A, quantitative data. Quantitative data. Under that, we write quantitative data. There are two categories. First one is quantitative data. We write are the raw facts. Are the raw facts. Are the raw facts which can be countable. Are the raw facts which can be countable, comma, measurable, comparable, right? Example, price of an item. Example, price of an item. Another, comma, marks of a subject. Marks of a subject. Weight of a person. Date of expire. Birthday. Hari. What about the telephone number? Is that data? You're asking, sir, what is your telephone number? I told it. Is that data or not? My telephone number is not 714, whatever thing. Is that data then? Is data quantitative or qualitative? Telephone number qualitative or quantitative? Taka. Quantitative නේ පුතේ. quality එක නෙවෙයි කියන්නේ ඒකේ. මගේ telephone number එක හොඳයි නරකයි වගේ නෙවෙයි. It's a measurable. It's exactly told that this is a number. It's exact, perfect. Still going to be quantitative. හරිනේ? Then you may see that it doesn't give any weight නේ. Oh, but it's not falling under the qualitative. Quality එකක් නෙවෙයි. Quality කියන්නේ feature එකක්. Telephone number is this. Exactly it is this. හරි. දැන් අර මම innocent කියලා කියනවනේ. Is that exact? innocent කොහොමද කියලා කියන්නේ නැහැ. නිදාගත්තාමද වැඩ කරනකොට කොහොමද කියලා කියන්නේ නැහැ. But telephone number කියවම this is exactly. Date of expire කියපුවාම this is exact. They are exact perfect values. Qualities are not like. They are not exact. Good quality vehicle. Hari. Then even the telephone number is still going to be a quantitative data. Hari. Another example, telephone number. Hari. Date of expire. Hari. Now I will go to the next part. Next task, part B, qualitative data. Qualitative data. Qualitative data. Under that, we write qualitative data. Are raw facts. Are raw facts. Which cannot be raw facts which cannot be countable, which cannot be counted, comma, measured. Underline the word cannot be, right? Cannot be කියන underline කරන්න තියෙන්නේ. Cannot be counted or measured so that they are giving features, so that they are giving features of a person, comma, object, event, right? Example, condition of a vehicle. Example, condition of a vehicle. Another, comma, smoothness of a surface. Smoothness of a surface. One other example, right? I'm telling that today the sky is blue. Data or not? Sky is blue. Data then data. Qualitative, quantitative. Qualitative. Exact line. What blue is it? No. Color of the sky. Color of a tree. Color of a sky. Color of the sky. Comma. Impression of a person. Impression of a person. Now, hope that you are clear. Right? Then that's what I said that then what you did in O levels, we have to go further. O level එකට ඔයගොල්ලෝ O level කරා නැතුව ඇති කියලා මං හිතන්නේ. හරි. Right. Now we'll move on to the next section, still behind this data and information, telling that abstract model of information. That is the other concept to be covered. Next subtopic, abstract model of information. Abstract model of information. Right. This is a very simple model. This says that the relationship between data as well as information. You know that. What is the association in between information and data? How can the data are turned into information? What comes at the middle? Process. When the data are applied into some activities, the result is called as information. So then that is what defined under the abstract model. Simply, this is the abstract model. We have data which are raw and they are subjected to a process which may be a calculation or comparison, any other activity, and the product we obtain is called as information. So then, this is the exact abstract model of information. Simply, this model had been introduced. We had to do that at the end of our chapter. That's the way I'm planning my chapters. Under the Charles Babbage concept. In the history, this is very important. This is a concept introduced by Charles Babbage with his machines. That's why Charles Babbage is treated as the father of the computer. Something else, don't worry, we'll cover that. We have come related on. So then simply abstract model of information is the association between data and information. Right? Then it says that how the information are prepared from the available data. We like the topic abstract model of information is defining the association, comma, relationship is defining the association, comma, relationship between data and information. Between data and information. Take this quickly. Right. Earlier, we had a deep discussion behind data, right? We said that data are raw facts and they are in two categories called as quantitative, qualitative. So we had a deep discussion behind data. They are raw. Now we have to go deeper in information. So we said that information are results after processing. Simply we call them as processed results. In that event, information, the general features of information are, they are results always. Am I correct? The results. Now, results are obtained by doing some work upon data. This is an example. I may say that I have purchased pens. Unit price of a pen. Unit price of a pen. Set it as 25 rupees. Then the number of pens purchased, or simply we can say that quantity, is going to be 10. Then I'm telling that total earnings from pens, that's going to be 10 into 25, going to be 250. That's fine. What are data here? What are information here? This information. So I got the information as 250. Make information. These two are data. Then information are results always. Now say that I have very poor maths knowledge. You may find that when you are continuing our sessions. Okay. Then after calculating the total earnings of the business, I got that value as 350. What are data? What are information? Is this information or not? මේක informationද dataද නැත්නම් මුකුත් නැහැ අමුතු එකක්ද? This is information. ඇයි මං කියවනේ මට maths බෑ කියලා? I did my full effort to do this processing. Is this just obtained or did I do can get it? I did it. මම ගුණ වුණාට මොකද කරන්නේ? I got this answer according to my poor brain processing. එහෙනම් is this still a result or not? Result. මේක result එකක්. So that this is still going to be a result, but is this said to be as a good result or a bad result? It's a bad result එක case. ඇයි the processing is not appropriate. Is that problem applied onto data? Can there be good data or bad data? එහෙම නෑ. Data are wrong. Whatever you collect will be fine, will be managed. ඒක හොඳයි නරකයි කියලා දාලයක් නෑ. මේකේ නම් there's a processing going on based on the way you do the process. Information can be good or bad. So we all as the users need good information. That's also a matter. And that's another feature. Information can be good or bad. Still another feature of information. Hari. And another thing is based on the prepared results, you people will make decisions sometimes. The mark sheet event, we get the average marks. That's a result calculation. Based on the average marks, we decide if it is above 50, you are going to be pass. If it is below 50, you will be fail. And that's a decision. This person will be pass since the average කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? Data information. Average are information. And if this information is more than that, pass, otherwise fail. And information are mostly used to make decisions, which is not upon data. Data are just four things. Even with raw data, we may make decisions, but mostly information is the point. We'll see such in events. These are used to make decisions. So then these are some general common features of information. But we'll have the next subtopic called as information. Information. We like information. Are always, we'll go to points, right? We'll go to points. Are always results. First point. Are always results. Next point. Used to make important decisions. Used to make important decisions. One another point where I could not explain. Information, this is okay, right? Good or bad is there. We'll talk that later. Are the information meaningful or meaningless? Meaningful and meaningless is different than good or bad. Do they have a meaning? Are they sensible or not? Sensible. We get this as a total earnings. Data, are they meaningful or meaningless? Data are meaningless. Hurry. When I got this event, total earnings is data or information? I want to answer. Information. Unit price of a pen is data. Then this data, unit price of a pen, 25, has no any meaning. Data are meaningless. Unit price of a pen is data. Is that meaningful or meaningless? Meaningless. පෑන් එක ගාන රුපියල් 25යි. ඒක තමයිනේ. කිසි තේරුමක් නැහැ. Unit price of a pen is 25, it has no meaning නේ. ඔව් මිස් කිසි තේරුමක් නැහැ. අදහසක් නැහැ මොකුත් නැහැ. මනිසක් රුපියල් 50යි. පෑනක් 25යි. No meaning. නේ. Data are meaningful or meaningless? This has a meaning or not? It has a sense. O level කොහොමද ගෙන ගත්තේ? Meaningless කියලා වෙන්න ඇතිනේ. හිතුන්නේ නැද්ද ඔබ? Ordinary level, advanced level. Data are meaningful at this moment. What is this? Data or information? I don't say anything. 101 data the information. එච්චරයි මං අහන්නේ. ඕගොල්ලෝ මම මේක පෙන්ලා අහනවා මොකද්ද මේක? Data the information. Data meaningful or meaningless? Meaningful or meaningless? Isn't this 101? Meaningful or meaningless? ඒක certainly 101. අපි දන්නේ කොහොමද මොකද්ද කියලා. So අපි O level උත් කරා. මයින්ඩ් වලින් 101 කියන්නේ 101 නෙවෙයි. It's 5. මේක වෙන මොකක්ද කියලා අපි කොහොමද දන්නේ? අර টয়ලට් එක ලේබල් එක අද කවුද දන්නේ මේක? එහෙනම් මේක meaningful or meaningless? This has no meaning. හැබැයි මෙයා meaningful. එහෙනම් what are data? Either meaningful or meaningless. ඔන්න point එක. Information meaningful or meaningless? Having both or meaningful always? ඇයි meaningful වෙන්නේ යා? ඇයි පුතේ? Information are produced by we people by applying some activities. And these are always meaningful. We are getting results for a certain meaning. Otherwise, we don't apply any activity. And that's the next point. Information are meaningful always, whereas data are maybe. Hari එක point එකකට ටක් ගාලා පරක් වෙනවා. We like under the next point under the information. Information are meaningful. Next point. Information are meaningful always. Information are meaningful always, while data can be either meaningful or meaningless. Either meaningful or meaningless. Next point. Information can be good, usable, or bad, which depends on good, usable, or bad, which depends on the way they are processed. The way they are processed. They are general features of information. The way they are processed. Then we have to go to the next point to say that how to judge whether the information are good or bad. Right? That's the next topic. Since we don't have much more time, I'll leave that to the next week to be discussed. Right? Then again, from the next week, hopefully I may not give you drawings and the notes to be taken. Whatever in the board will be put into the group. Therefore, please send me your details to my WhatsApp number. I'll put you into the group. And also, they keep the strong mind that not only for today, during these 2 years, you have to run a big race. You have to have the proper preparation. Then it will be fine. I can take you to the correct level. Then, okay, then we'll continue to the next week. Have a good day. Fine day. And if you have doubts regarding whatever things, just talk to me. I'm available for you all, right? Hi. You can leave now. Fine, no issue.